My dear brothers and sisters, in this gospel, at least twice, the phrase appeared, they did not believe. They did not believe. They did not believe what? They did not believe that Jesus is risen. There was no mention of reason why they did not believe. Hindi lang sila naniwala. Bakit? Hindi sinabi ng Ebanghelyo. But let us guess. Perhaps they did not believe because this resurrection is something new to them. It's something new to them. They have not experienced this. Ganyan naman tayo, hindi ba? Pagbago, hindi natin kaagad-agad pinapatulan. Pagbago, hindi natin agad tinatanggap. And we asked for proof. But the possible second reason is this, especially in the case of Mary Magdalene. The disciples perhaps did not believe because she was a woman. You know, in that culture during the time of Jesus, and even now in some Mid-Eastern countries, the women and the children are second-class citizens. You remember the multiplication of the loaves when 5,000 people were given free bread? Anong sabi sa Ebanghelyo? There were 5,000 men, not including women and children. So binilang, yun lang mga lalaki, 5,000. May mga babae, of course. May mga bata, of course. Pero hindi sila kasama. Hindi sila bilang. Sapagkat ang mga babae at mga bata ay hindi itinuturing na mahalaga. Perhaps, I'm saying that word. Perhaps the disciples did not believe because the bearer of the message happened to be a woman. Hindi ba't ganyan tayo kumisan? We shoot the messenger because we do not like the message. Or even if we like the message, we ignore because of the messenger. Kaya lang naman niya sinabi yan naiinggit siya. No? So, ang tinira, yung nagsabi, yung nagpahayag, at hindi tinignan, tama ba yung kanyang sinasabi? How many times have we ignored good messages, good things being said because of the messenger? Pakinggan natin, ha? Kasi ang Diyos ay pwedeng magsalita kahit sa pamamagitan ng kahit sino. Even a baby, even a child, the Lord can talk to us, no? Communicate to us even through a child. The Lord can talk to us even to a simple employee of the company. The Lord can talk to us even through our children. Hindi ba? Kasi kumisan may problema ibang mga magulang no? Sabi na, ay nako, no? Anak lang kita, no? Kaya yung sinasabi mo, hindi mahalaga, anak lang kita, no? Tumahimik ka diyan. Bakit? Porke ba't anak lang, hindi na pwedeng magsalita at hindi na mangusap sa ngalan ng Diyos? Let us not ignore the message simply because we don't like the messenger. Maybe that is the reason why the disciples they did not believe, because it was Mary Magdalene, and according to Saint Mark, the gospel writer, out of whom he had driven 7 demons. Medyo sexist no? Okay. Si Mary Magdalene, may pinalayas na 7 demonyo dyan no? Maybe. But it should not be. It should not be. We listen to the message no matter who the messenger is. Amen.